I'm pulling up faces. I pull up on hoes, I pull up on bitches. I bust in the vases. Yeah. I'm getting my money, I'm cashing my checks. I'm coming for bitches, I'm coming for next. Yeah, already know, man, I'm coming for throats. FBG is the name, and I really do the most. And I really never brag, and I really never boast. Young niggas always fakes, and they always is a hoax. Don't know what to do, nigga, no more. So I really provide, nigga, duck down and hide. Cause you better run, nigga, cause I'm coming inside. Hey, cause I'm coming inside, yeah, you know what it's going and you know what I do. AVG is the name and I really spit it true. Yeah, I really grew up, young nigga, since last year. Then show these niggas, man, how it passed year. You already know what's up, nigga, how it's been. AVG, nigga, every day I do win, cause I really get it, how I really do spit it. Adequate with it, young nigga, with the rhythm that I'm kicking. Really got a vision, really gotta rap this shit, young nigga, man, I'm gifted. Cause I'm gifted from God. You niggas a facade. I fucked up the flow, I fucked up for flow. Pass it to my nigga Joe, let's go. Kill that shit. Yeah. Kill that shit.
You want me to kill that shit?
Kill that shit.
You want me to drill that shit?
Drill that shit.
Alright, I'll drill that bitch.
Yeah.
It's time, we gonna drill up, bitch.
Yeah, it's time.
We gon' end up like Thriller, bitch.
Thriller, bitch.
We gon' end up like Killer, bitch.
Killer, bitch.
We gon' get up, set up. We don't give a fuck. We just getting drunk and fucked
Yeah, we
up.
fucked up.
What you know about that?
Yeah, what you know?
I bet you know about nothing.
Yeah, bitch.
You just fucking
Yeah,
stuntin'.
you are.
What you know, you just frontin'.
No, bitch.
Yeah, what you doing?
What you doing?
Yeah, I'm just schooling.
Yeah, I am.
Hey, you just drooling.
You do.
Hey, get the back to school, bitch.
Shit, what
You
the
ain't know
fuck?
about this. Me and my bro, we kicking them hoes out. Cause they ain't
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
what it should be, what it would be, what it could be. I'm just going with my bros, yeah, I would be. Would be fucking killing, drilling. But I'm just fucking chilling, reeling.
Yeah, what I'm
About the
feeling.
old days. Man, that was some good shit.
Yeah, it really was. Shit.
Yeah. AVG. Yeah. And we out this bitch, niggas.